In this question, you have to identify from where the hormone relaxin is secreted during the later phase of pregnancy. Option A, uterus. It is incorrect. It does not directly secrete relaxin, though it is one of the target organs for this effect. Option B, Graafian follicle. The mature follicle, that is the Graafian follicle, secretes estrogen but not relaxin, hence incorrect. Option C, corpus luteum. The corpus luteum that forms after ovulation when a mature Graafian follicle releases an egg, that is secondary oocyte, and this secretes the hormone relaxin during the later stages of pregnancy. Hence, this is the correct option. Option D, fetus. It is incorrect. The fetus does not secrete relaxin.